Hello everybody. It's been a few days since I've done a video, so I want to get one up so you guys know I'm still around. Anyways, got a load going into South Jordan, Utah. And then after that, I'm going to take a 34-hour reset at home. And then we'll work our way back to the DC. So that's what we got going on, the Raymond Riggs Roadhouse. So enjoy the adventure. Let's get on the road and let's do this. So fasten your seatbelt. Let's lock and load and let's get ready to roll. Let's do this. Watch Bo and plan out. Whoop, there he is. So we got to our stop. I unlocked the back door and rolled it up, and I took a little footage to show you guys how they stack these pallets at the warehouse. Blows my mind. All these years they've been doing this and pallets still look like this. Check this out. Yeah, this is how they do pallets down there. Little hot air balloons going on early in the morning. It's 7:21 a.m. They're already up there. Ha! We have light at the end of the tunnel! Woo-hoo! Yeah, I wanted to show you a little bit of the mountains here in Utah. Very beautiful. This is where the people with a lot of money hang out. You know, like Utah jazz players, people like that. But yeah, it's beautiful. Got the ski slopes over there on the right. Gotta love it. But boy, it's brutal when you come through in the wintertime. Yeah, it gets a little hairy. Your butt's definitely hanging on the seats. But yeah, there's the ski slopes. Pretty cool. I like these buildings right here. They look like old school, but they're brand new. Got the vintage look. But yep, it's beautiful. Gotta say that. All right, everybody. Enjoy the tune as we go through. Yeah. thought this was pretty cool. Our boy Trump making some deals with Apple, Tim Cook putting in $600 billion with a B dollars, bringing jobs back to America, people. Check it out.
Will invest $600 billion, that's with a B, in the United States over the next 4 years. That's $100 billion more than they were originally going to invest. And this is the largest investment Apple has ever made in America and anywhere else. And it's just an honor to have you. As you know, Apple's been an investor in other countries a little bit. I won't say which ones, but a couple. And they're coming home. $600 billion. It's the biggest there is. The company is also unveiling its ambitious new American manufacturing program, which will bring factories and assembly lines across our country all roaring to life. Areas that were not doing so well are doing very well. We have about $17 trillion coming into the United States, which is more than ever before. That's never even come close. There's never been anything like it. Even you, that's even a lot of money for you.
I know a lot of people say they can't stand Trump, but I don't care what you say. You can't argue against his policies. This guy is getting it done. He's got more done in 200 days than that freaking Biden did in 4 years. You know what I'm saying? So, if you hate him, whatever. If you love him, good for you. Hope you enjoyed the episode and a little bit of the adventures of Raymond Riggs. Bo and I appreciate you. And if you guys have subscribed, thank you. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and share the video. And make sure you hit the bell. That way, Bo and I, we know you'll be back here next time. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.